Alright, so this is the carpet. God damn it. Alright, there we go. There we go. You kind of see it better now. So this will be the carpet that came in from Auto Custom Carpets Inc. I think I paid $230 after shipping with the mass backing and everything to come to the actual, as we said before, carpet itself. That's the new. This is the old. I did clean a little bit, but it's really worn, really shitty. It still kind of smells. I mean, it's not that bad realistically. I just worked overtime, so I was like, fuck it, let me get a new carpet. And then it also comes with the brand new felt bottom pieces, I guess, the sound deadening, insulation, all that jazz. Comes with all that. But the good thing about this one is, so that's the bottom. I guess that one comes from it too. But yeah, that's the old nasty bottom. Oof, that shit stinks. And then this one has it as well. Well, the backing part, so it's technically gonna be waterproof. And then that. So I did pay extra. It says for the mass backing, so that's this part. And this is a stock one. I thought it'd be worth it. I mean, looking back, I mean, they're both the same fucking not gonna let water get through it material. Oh, what does that smell? Yo, anyway, what the hell? Sorry, it smells weird. But yeah, it's gonna be the install. Yeah, that's fucking old and worn. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that one on that one, trace it out, cut holes, and then again cut it when I put it on the car. Yeah. So see you then. Okay, so put the carpet on. You could barely see. You might be able to see. Oh, I can't even see. Yeah. So made the super small, crappy general outlines for where all the holes are gonna be cut. Where everything might go. Sorry, it's hard to tell. You can see that one again. But yeah, I did it for all of the holes. And then I did it. See if you can see from afar. No, you can't see shit. But yeah, I pretty much outlined it over here and then all around the outside. Left like an inch and some change. But yeah, that's just the basic amount I'm gonna cut, and then I'm gonna first get rid of that shit and put that on, and then yeah, put that in and see how it fits. Start cutting there. We'll see you then. What the fuck? Oops. sucks. Dude, how fucking much should I fucking getting? Jesus Christ. So that's how that looks. Yes. This is it. Look at the feet coming. This. What the fuck is this part? This is this part. Wasn't that much longer, but Jesus fuck. Oh, I'm really starting to think this is the wrong carpet. Because, yeah, what the fuck? For sure, 100%. But it doesn't. Just something is wrong. It's not like lining up. I still don't understand this part. What the fuck? But that could be right there. It's not looking too good, boys. Not looking too good. Not looking too good, man. I didn't know there was a thing. This is the other thing. It's not another thing. It's not another thing. Is it really worth it? So. Goodness. Should be. So that's like that. I cut too much right there. This I don't understand. What the fuck is the problem? Oh, that's a tippity toe. This shit. Right here. Did something. It's not that good, I guess. Oh, I think it's for fucking RX or some bullshit. It's not. I think I went too much. Yeah. man. Yeah. Oh, I fucked up right there. Alright, another update. I'm pretty sure they send me either the wrong carpet, or maybe because Lexus, there's not as much out there. Because when I did on my 4Runner, everything was plug and play. Took it out, put the new felt in, everything lined up perfect. Put the new carpet in, it lined up. Just had to cut on the middle, on the sides, and on the back. Perfect. This one, it's really not lining up. This felt was completely different than the one on the stock one. It's just kind of shit, not gonna lie. But I mean, I just cut it, put it right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this part, and then we're gonna see how that looks. And hopefully I can change my mind. Oh shit. Alright, so that's how it's gonna look at a quick glance. We are still not done. Need to touch up this part, but this is just shit. I would not do it again. It was kind of crappy. The holes are really shitty. Didn't line up at all. But I don't want to wait, and I already threw my old carpet out. So, but yeah, I mean, it does look nice for the most part. But yeah, 1, 2, and 3 not lining up at all. Complete dog shit. They did so good on my 4Runner, but I don't know what the fuck happened with the Lexus. But yeah, we'll do another tune-in after I put the front 2 seats in. Pretty good. Okay, this is how it looks. We're not done for the most part. Put the seats in. What's that on the bottom? That's how it looks. The seats in. We're not all the way in, but now you get a gist of how it look. Black seats. Kinda cool. Kinda cool.